Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're off to go spotting with Nick. It's actually a somewhat chilly morning here, so hopefully the cold start today will be good. This is a cold start on a 1998 Toyota Starlet. Nick Davis, welcome to the vlog.
How are we, boys?
Alrighty, so Nick's come spotting with us today, let's go. So we've arrived out at spotting and now it's nap time.
2,000 years later.
Hey, what was that special livery?
Daily vlog channel.
Alright, here we have Jack driving off.
Fucking bug on my face. Is this the Starlet?
Starlet.
Yeah,
Here we go, boy.
Oh, there's no. That is fun. Send it. Oh!
It's when you down, it's when you option.
I couldn't get going. I just decided not to because I didn't want to like get to 60. What? Go for the Jeep.
It's time for today's food vlog and we've arrived here at the Colonel. Let's go streetwise, share it with Nick. Look what this immature dude did. Plastic and all. Nice. Alrighty, so the pit stop's done. We've now refueled, dropped Nick off, ditched Dylan, and we're heading to bowling with a group of people from cadets, so this should be good. Let's go. That wasn't terrible, Matt. Come on, that wasn't that bad.
It was.
Nah, it wasn't that bad. So we just finished our first game and unfortunately I wasn't victorious. Next time though. Laser tag now, it's a bit of laser shooting. Welcome to the vlog, Lockie. Jess, Matt.
Shouldn't I be filming?
Lockie was the photographer at the school day. You should go check him out. Link in the description to his Instagram. Who's Kane? Kane? Yeah. I got this. Cadets. The training cadets has given me has trained me well. I got this. Out here doing laser tag again. I won the last round, guys. I told you, cadets come in handy. Go check out the AFC. Link in the description. Not really, but hopefully for another victory. Tell you what, guys, first. Wing team. Alrighty guys, so we just finished up here at Strike. It was a good night. Shout out to them, go check them out. I won the last game of laser tag, fortunately. First place. Our team won because of us. You saw the proof.
No,
about 10 seconds ago.
Ben, you came like last. Ha! Gay!
Now we're going to take Lockie home, say goodbye to Jess, then we're going to go for a bit of a drive, so let's go. Parked really far away, guys, so bit of a walk back to the car, but shouldn't be too long, hopefully. Unfortunately, we cracked the windshield today, so we're going to go get that fixed tomorrow. It's not going to be cheap, unfortunately, but It's better to pay for it now and then have it turn to a big hole crack across the windscreen. Apparently I'm a fan of a big YouTube channel now.
Do I have an autograph? What about a photo here?
Can we have a photo?
We'll do it on the run.
I got my entourage
On the
here.
run.
Smiles,
On the run.
everyone.
Look at these guys.
Hey.
We gotcha. Look at these guys.
Can we
My
have an
entourage.
autograph? Zoom out. Now hard break.
Alright, you guys, so we pulled up here at Lotus. I've never been here before, but I've always wanted to see like their dealership, so let's go check it out. So, I don't know about you, but I reckon the Exige is a pretty cool car. I mean, obviously it's really lightweight, got a 6-cylinder. Should I consider buying one in the future? Let me know in the comments below. The amount of crap you guys put on this car, it's actually a really good car because it goes off-road, it goes pretty quickly on this.
Paint on this top. I think
And
it's a little bit damaged.
It carries a lot of people. It gets the girls, that's the main thing. Hey boys, where are we going? Macca's, KFC, Red Rooster, Hungry Jack's?
I don't know, I just want food.
Alright, looks like we're heading to Macca's. Ham and cheese, to be honest.
Ham and cheese what?
$5.
Ham and cheese what?
Pizza, and then upgrade it to a large one for 8 for an extra 3.
Can
I get a value range ham and cheese, please?
Yep.
And the extra upgrade.
Yep, sure. Is that it for today? So that's the extra large ham and cheese. That's $8.25.
What did we get? We got a ham and cheese just because it was cheap.
Matt, what did you get?
Beef and onion because it's cheap.
Damn, that's good.
Cheap gang, you gotta save for that Lotus, you know. Thanks for tonight, bro. It was a pretty
fella.
good night.
It was good. See you soon.
Yeah, can't wait to catch up again.
Good boys.
See you, bro. So this is effectively going to end today's video. It's been a great day.
Can you give us
Just
a hat?
stay tuned. The holidays, the rest of the holidays, there's going to be a bit of work, but the rest of it should be a lot of fun. So stay tuned. Down below, hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you really enjoyed it. Comment any ideas or whatever. What Lotus do you think I should buy? Comment them down below. Anyway, have a good night, everyone. Peace.